This 2019 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Sienna Decor, English Chestnut Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, self-contained, water heater, slideout, TV, awning, refrigerator, stove-top burner, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2019 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is built on a Tiffin Powerglide chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.